Today, I'll show you how to make your Windows 11 desktop look cool and interesting. First, right-click on your desktop and go to View. Here uncheck Show Desktop Icons. Next, let's hide your taskbar. Right-click on Taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. Here select Taskbar Behavior and check on Automatically Hide Taskbar. Open your browser and search for Rainmeter. Go to the website and click the Download button. Let's install this file. It's easy, just follow the steps on the screen. Now go to your browser again and search for Rainmeter skins. Visit the site, choose the theme you want to download, for example Mon. Then scroll down and click the Download button. Now, let's change the desktop background to something more suitable. I'll leave a link to the website where you can download similar wallpapers to your liking. Let's open the theme for our new desktop. In your downloads, double-click the downloaded file and click Install. In the settings window that appears, you can change the clock format and add or remove individual elements like recycle bin and music player. That's it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. See you soon.